Dear students, there is a story in your book, and that story is related to the elephant. And the name of the story is The Trunk of the Elephant. This is an interesting story. I have told you this is an interesting story because in this story it has been said that how did the elephant get trunk. In this story, it has been said that in the beginning, elephant had no trunk, but due to an event that happened, and the elephant got the trunk. So we will read this story. First, I am reading the first stanza. God has made this world. It is very beautiful. Man is the most intelligent creature. There are trees with tasty and delicious fruit. Birds have wings to fly high in the sky. Flowers are bright, colorful, and scented. Animals have 4 legs to walk. They have also tails. In this stanza, it is said that this world is very beautiful, and this world has been made by God. And as you see, that all things are very beautiful. Whether you see flowers, birds, animals. In the beginning, animals had no tails, as it has been said in it. In the beginning, animals were not different from man. They were also without tail. God always adds something to make this world more beautiful. He thought to provide tail to all animals. He made a lot of tails. Some were small, some were big, some were curly, some were straight, some were bushy. In this stage, as you are seeing, it has been said that in the beginning, animals were also without tail. But as you know, this world has been made by God, and God wants that His world should look very beautiful. And for this, God does something remarkable to make this world beautiful. So, once God made many types of tails, small, big, curly, straight, bushy, and He thought it to distribute. The monkey is a wise animal. The dog is a faithful animal. God called on the monkey and the dog. He said, I have made tails for all the animals. You will distribute these tails among them. Both collected the tails and went away from there happily. And when God made the tails, that time He thought that it should be distributed properly, and for distribution work He chose the dog and the monkey. Dog was chosen because he is a faithful animal, and monkey was chosen because he is called a wise animal. God said, you should take these tails and distribute among all the animals. And when they got the tail, they went to distribute it. And now we should see next stanza. All animals gathered in a big field to get tail. The dog chose a curly tail and bushy tail for himself. The monkey took a long and beautiful tail. Both started distributing tails. The chance came for the elephant. Both saw this huge animal. For a while, the dog brought a small tail. The monkey struck it to the back of the elephant. It happened that all animals were brought in the field, and they were told, just you will get the tail. Monkey and dog started distributing the tail. When the chance came for the elephant, they thought to make a joke of the elephant. They took it means the dog brought a small tail, both smiled, and the monkey struck a very small tail to the elephant. The elephant saw his tail. He became very sad. He sat in a corner. God came to see all animals. When God made the elephant, he started weeping. God asked, "Why are you weeping?" The elephant said, "I am so big and my tail is so small. All animals laugh at me. Please help me." Due to small tail, the elephant was not happy. And when God came to watch all the animals, that time God knew this, that he has got a very small tail, and this is the cause he is sitting in a corner. God thought for a moment. He touched the elephant with love. He caught the nose of the elephant. He pulled and pulled and pulled the nose. The nose grew longer and longer and longer. God said, "See, you have one more tail. Don't worry, be happy." The elephant saw his big nose and became very happy. He thanked God for his tail. And it is said that when God saw the elephant, and that was said that time, he caught his note and he started pulling it. He pulled and pulled, and the nose grew longer and longer and longer. And God said, "Now you have one more tail." Seeing his long nose, the elephant became happy, which became his trunk. So this was the story, the trunk of the elephant. By this story, the writer is telling how the elephant got his trunk. I think you must have liked this story. Thank you. Have a nice day.